Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Poly AI. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Poly AI. Click on that and download that. Once you download, click on open, and once it is open you need to create an account. I already created. Then you simply need to come here, and here you need to chat with any character. So let's suppose I'm going to chat with, let me select another one with this one. And hi, so this is the process I show you. So now you can see that it is working fine. So this is the process that you need to follow to use Poly AI. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.